Are you thinking about dropping your college algebra class? Do you feel like you're pathetic for not being able to understand the concepts? Do you feel inferior in the classroom when you see other people who seem to just get the right answers without trying? And it feels like no matter how hard you try, you just can't figure it out. If you feel this way, you're certainly not the only person. And in this video, I would like to offer you some encouragement. And I would like to invite you to think about your decision to drop college algebra. I'd like you to consider whether this is a decision coming from a genuine knowledge that college algebra just isn't worth taking, or is it coming from fear? Is it coming from not wanting to fail, so it would be better off if you just gave up before you tried? And a lot of times in math class, you will be rewarded for trying, even if you don't get the correct answer. There's a lot of ways to get partial credit on a problem if you just show your work to the best of your ability. Even if you're not sure how to get the correct answer on a problem, if you feel like you've seen problems similar to it and you've studied your notes long enough and you're able to write something on the page that looks similar to what you've seen in your notes, you can still get credit for that. And there's something else I would like to invite you to consider. Maybe by taking college algebra as a student who struggles with mathematics, you actually get more out of taking this class than someone who math just comes naturally for. Because when somebody takes college algebra and it's easy, that person might get a better sense of numbers. Maybe that person learns something about inequalities, or if trigonometry is in the class, maybe they learn some tricks about how to find a missing angle on a triangle. But when you take college algebra, you learn persistence. You learn how to push through problems even when you're not sure how to solve them. If you're asking questions in class, you might even be learning courage, which is a very, very important trait to have in the world. You might be learning how to ask a question that seems dumb to a lot of people. And it's not easy to do that. And not only that, but there might be someone in the room with the same question, and by asking it, you're helping that person as well as yourself. Now, if college algebra is very daunting to you, and you feel like you're studying but you're not getting any results, this may be because there are some gaps in fundamental understandings that actually took place before you took college algebra. So if you're struggling and you're watching videos about college algebra or trigonometry, and it feels like no matter how many videos you watch, you just don't understand the concepts, you might want to ask yourself, how well do I understand fractions? Am I able to multiply and divide fractions effectively? How well do I understand negative numbers? That's a big area where people make a lot of mistakes. You should ask yourself, how well do I understand exponents? Because that comes up too. And if you're looking for someone to help you with this, I offer tutoring to struggling college students so that they can fix their foundations in mathematics. If this is something you're interested in, check out the description of this video. you will find something in there that may be helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching.